November 3 of 2024. Paadto may. Asa tadto? Asa tadto?
Bangga!
Asa tadto Baganga?
Maligo, dagat.
Mag-enjoy me. I hope you will enjoy what is...
Katil.
We're going to Katiil.
Visit Katil or Baganga? Same. Same.
Katiil and Baganga is same.
Paradise.
Samara, small girl.
From Mintal, agnapay nagbisita sa ilahang mga patay dere. Sila. Kasi tawag na.
Why the Lord talk like that, huh?
They visit the Minatay.
Patay na, patay.
Silang mga pansyon dere. And it's a good weather today. I hope we reach in Baganga around 3 p.m. And say hi, driver. Hi, driver. Hindi siya seat lover, ha? Ano siya? Tisoy ni siya, pero ang lutang. Okay. Isa to. Gapo daw.
Feel shy already.
Itong isa.
Gusto ang sitwasyon dira sa likod.
Hi! Welcome to our vlog.
Pila ta ka buok? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
Hi, Tito Sam.
By the way, ha?
Hi, Amara! Nasi Amara diha?
Tindog dali. Tawag mo kita. Hi, Tito anak.
Hi, tura oh. Mo niya bang mayor diri sa kuan? Katiil.
You're like
Don't drink beer.
No.
Always
you
beer.
remember when like
If you saw you and
Once only.
never.
Tanduay
You saw you.
Very long back.
If I saw you,
If you saw you and never.
kanta siya.
Dili pa sure.
You say if you saw me.
Are you questioning?
Don't judge the book, that's the cover.
Just don't.
A few moments later.
Wala ko nagpakit lang. Bayak lang.
Tago. Sa ni guys. Dito. Sorry na lang jud ha. Sorry na lang jud kay bang di man crispy
Wow.
food.
Lechon.
Yes. Wow! Saan sa baw? Saan yung sa Sige daw, kung crispy pa.
Hi! Team.
Grabe po nakadulit. Uy,
Wala, monggo.
hindi ah. Kaman. Kaya.
1 kilo.
1 kilo 650. 1 kilo eh.
Ba? Kasa ko? Naging humba ko yun. Napupoy.
Kuha ko sa kilo nga.
Humba.
Oh, Mumbai. Nice.
Yeah.
I will take on my own, huh?
Okay.
I want to go to Mumbai.
Inanin to ng suker.
Sa kachaksoy po. Ha?
Inanin to ng suker.
Okay, okay. Dito sa ito na rin.
Slowly, slowly.
We don't know the road here. Sus, baba. Tali ba na kami nakano?
Para, is it? It's not
Do you need
How much is this?
Keep falling. Oh! Oh, you did Antipara also, right? Kapi sa mi. Lisi, pagdali na mo doon. Yachts, kapihan.
Oh, careful ha. Okay.
Nine runs?
50 each po, kaya kung sumabang
Oh.
Ay, up.
Ito na. Nice man.
Yes po na.
Ay, nice man. Yeah, that's nice though.
Take the six one. Inside, go.
Yawa Antonio eh. Tataw.
The seat is very less here.
Tsaka lang. Ngayong hapon. Nice, uy.
Okay.
Ay, na pa rin sila ibaba, oh.
Sila yung cream. Parang ako eh.
Dito sila pa. Ang sa dali sa oh.
Uy, Mara, hindi ka tagan.
Asa man mag-order dali ra? Pila yung
The same na in Bukidnon Service Place.
We're in Hawaii. Like Hawaii, Maui.
Patanggal siya. Ano kay kaslan ka na siya?
Nagkape sa amin. Viewpoint sa saan nga kapin? I love yachts. Kapihan.
Ano sa Chico oy?
Ay, may dura ni Biara ni.
Wasig sa kuan bless sa Hawaii. View. Di ba tumatutag Hawaii lang? Ay, si Kwati mo ha? Mukhang kagina ko kape. Tunga rata. Si Tisoy, si Kwati man dayahan no.
Eventually.
Pag-order na lang, Soy.
Mga kape na.
Sorry, it's coffee today.
Oh, hindi ba na kape?
Dito sa kabila.
Okay.
괜찮아.
Alam kasi ko ito yung gikon niya. Anong kakapit?
괜찮아요.
Na-consume na na mo?
괜찮아.
O sige, pag mag-add na lang ni.
I'll consumable inside only.
Asa si Kwati isa?
괜찮아.
What is?
Pag-order, Soy.
Wajo.
Oh, data, discount. Sino? Short ah, we share.
Where is it?
Kape sam. Uy, kaya to sila. Ako naman.
Kanay, so peaceful kay sa lugar niya pag-abot na mo no burag nagubot ang area kay burag magnaon sa midari. Ingani ka minimum voice vocal cords among family diri. Suman.
Sila suman. Langoy.
Balanghoy eh kanon.
Malagkit.
Kaya ko isa bless.
Asa mo bin kape?
This is the viewpoint. Sa cats.
Pasa ko sa Chavis na rin.
Ako po, so, Loy. Pero sa akong camera lang, Loy. Finally, nakabot na ni Kaliwagwag. And for how many years? Hindi ni Kaliwagwag. Okay, go!
Welcome to Baganga. Wait lang. This is a very important destination and milestone.
Finally, at 5 p.m., we reached at Baganga, and I thought this would be the place of our destination. But hindi pa pala, and we need to cross another mini island by boat, and 100 pesos per person for overnight, plus another 100,000 pesos for environmental fee that I did not see properly the instruction. And I did not see it's in the other island. I thought it's the main island only. Lesson learned. You need to check your booking.
Let's go to Boracay.
At this time, we feel very tired from the 5 hours journey. Plus, we did not expect it's in the other island that we need to carry all our things. Next time, palit na to tong wagon bitaw. But at the same time, we're very excited. What's in the other island? And yes, guys, please watch for the part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
You can keep down na. Wow, ha, you are